In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly share your browser screen with your audience using Restream Studio. Whether you want to walk your viewers through a website tour or share visual content like a live video, Restream makes this process incredibly intuitive. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can make your broadcast even more engaging by including your browser screen. Start by navigating to your Restream home screen. From there, you'll need to either click on New Stream, followed by Studio, or opt to open an existing studio stream if you've set one up before. This will take you into the heart of your streaming setup, where you can customize and control what your audience sees. Once you're in Studio, focus on selecting Add Scene unless you've already got a scene you plan to tweak. In that case, just go ahead and pick that existing scene. This part is essential because it sets the stage for incorporating additional elements, such as your browser window, into your stream. In the scene editor, look for your list of sources or browse through the Media menu to find the option labeled Screen. In some setups, it might be referred to as Share Screen. This feature is your gateway to integrating content directly from your computer. A dialog box will pop up, presenting you with a few options. You can select a specific browser tab if you want to show one particular site, open a specific window, say, your browser window, or even your entire screen if you need to switch between multiple tabs or programs during your broadcast. Pick the browser tab or window you wish to share, then confirm your choice by clicking Share. The content from your browser will be integrated into your scene preview. As you look at it, you'll notice that you can manipulate its appearance just like any other media source in Restream. Feel free to drag it around, resize it, or position it exactly how you want it to appear to your viewers. Now, if your browser content includes audio, perhaps there's a video playing in that tab, you'll want to ensure your audience can hear it as well. Make sure that when you selected what you're sharing, you activated the Share Audio toggle in the Share dialog. This is a crucial step if sound is part of your presentation. Once you've arranged everything and you're satisfied with how it looks and sounds in your preview, you're ready for the final step. Hit the Go Live button to start your broadcast, complete with the browser screen, making your stream more dynamic and interactive by letting your audience see exactly what you're showcasing. And there you have it. The simple steps to enhance your Restream experience by sharing your browser screen effectively. Happy streaming!